When you use chalk paint, you have to seal the chalk paint. I am going to share 7 ways that I seal chalk paint here at Nashville Restoration. The price range is from $3 on up to $23. For the sake of this video, we're just going to say we are sealing 2 end tables. Each product in this video should do 2 end tables with 1 container. The most common sealer for chalk paint is clear wax or soft wax. This wax is from Annie Sloan and will cost about $23. You also can get wax at Home Depot or Lowe's or one of the craft stores, and this generally runs about $14. If you have a very large project, one of these may not be enough. Polycrylic will run you about $18, and it is a water-based sealer that you brush on. It seems to have a little more durability than the clear wax, and one of the other benefits is that you do not have to come back and apply more like you do the wax. Polyurethane is an oil-based product, and it is tougher than the polycrylic. It is a brush-on product, and it is the longest lasting and most durable of paint sealants that I have ever used. It will cost you about $16. Minwax paste wax costs about $10. You can brush it on or rub it on with the rag. It seems to me it is pretty close to the clear wax. It is a little bit darker, so if you have a very white project, it's going to darken it slightly. Minwax spray on polyurethane is a great product. It will cost you about $9 per can. I would get the satin because the shinier it is, the harder it is to get a smooth looking surface. It's a very durable finish, great for kids and pets. Valspar Top Coat is, I put in the same class as the spray polyurethane. It is also oil-based, has a nice tough surface to it, and it is totally clear, whereas the polyurethane may have a slight tannish tint to it. Spray on polycrylic is a water-based finish. It will cost you about $10. It has about the same properties as the brush-on polycrylic. You can just get it on there faster because it is in a spray can. I would recommend a satin finish in this product. Lastly, clear wax or soft wax normally has mineral oil as the main ingredient, which is also what baby oil is. So I have used baby oil on chalk paint and it works fine. If you have a lot of traffic, probably not the best idea. It is not quite as thick as the clear wax or soft wax, but it's $3. So if you just need something temporarily or short term, or even if you're just curious, give baby oil a try. It's actually pretty good. I use it in my fake chalk paint videos. So that's what I have for you today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment and ask questions. Check back, I put up videos fairly often. Thanks for watching.